Good luck. Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage pinga cha mitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, chingo dera zwa mishasho.
Welcome back. It's still the Van Rap Radio. I'm out here and I'm still giving you the best of the best out of the rest. Like talent so there's a track in it. I feel like it was not marketed enough. As track gospel track MUFHANZI Mukololo. It's one of the tracks in a I feel if it was marketed enough or something was done with the PR, this track would have been bigger than it's one of those tracks in a ngongoti. It's your vibe, it's your that thing. The track in Tamba Kanawatamba, and the Ambas Potoni, the Ambas Patini, the Ambas Klabuni, the Ambas Pabuni, the Ambas, it can give you that kumba. Oh, Shamran is like, so I'm gonna let you listen to this track. You can comment number with the mini after listening to this tune because Nendia Filori Inda MUFHANZI. If you need to go on, Marapezi MUFHANZI guy. MUFHANZI ngapona. I wonder what happened to this trend. Trend that's go on. And then I'm saying says most of the things about this song. Mara about the fair on the compass way.
MUFHANZI 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 MUFHANZI
some tracks one it's not as it
Hey, niyafanza ini.
Niyafanza ini.
Niyafanza ini.
Wako vhudzisi uri vhone vha fanza na vha ḓo ri vhudza uri ndi amba uri vhone tshiḓafa vha zwikonana but gosh, let's be honest. When we talk about music, we talk about dope stuff, we talk about great things. There's nice music out there. You just need to listen to it. You just need to find the music. Mukololo, MUFHANZI. So I hope you're still gonna support her. Nengazina ndiduka niswana ndingwana ndo wabanguni. MUFHANZI.
Kaibona mifini ya dala mifini tiboni MUFHANZI nigai. Hey, niyafanza ini. Niyafanza ini. Hey, niyafanza ini. Kanini niyafanza ini.
Yeah, niyakonofanza naini ribudzeni anepo MUFHANZI naini na niyazvikonana yeah Mukololo khomba zwezwo MUFHANZI nani yakonofanza na mifini ndikuivona mara vafanzi vagai ukuitia mini kutangana mini endau yanduna ndichikhola zori you're gonna support this music Chivenda Music and Entertainment. You're gonna subscribe, you're gonna like, you're gonna comment, you're gonna share, and va suggest kana vamba imwe track ina nga vakhombo ri no manema check this out recheck ri ambe nga hayo ri vabudza uri yeah bathu ndi amba vateveri vafano ka Chivenda Music and Entertainment vanaenda vafuna nga manda but they are going to ambori man holu kutakaza vona ni holu ari vone holu but what it is so ngongo comment so ngongo like so ngongo share 0826937124 ndi WhatsApp. You know what you can do, text us para music we can share, send the music arina music or send nga WhatsApp. No I don't got the music wala venda na vamwe vanji wala from South Africa na manda shango. You just go www.vanrapradiostation.co.za kana www.renderfiles.co.za auna zwimwe ne amara here. The track was Niyafanza ini ni MUFHANZI ini wakhonofanza wena wafanzezelela Danke Mukololo ai talent yodala paya.